Today I actually came to the dealership to get my car serviced. I forgot my camera gear, so I'm filming now with my cell phone. So I'm not sure how it's going to come out, but however it comes out, you know, you guys are going to see it. Now, the dealership on my neighborhood that I prefer is the Passport BMW because I went to a few dealerships in the area and this is the one that provides me the best service. So if you're in the DMV area, come to Passport, and I think they have great guys here, great service. And actually I'm friends with a few guys here that I also own M cars, M3s and M5s. So yeah, they love M's. So yeah, man, hopefully my car comes out quickly enough for me to get home and enjoy my birthday. Today's my birthday, so this is a birthday video that I'm shooting really quick. Yes guys, I'm just waiting now on the lounge. As you can see here, the lounge, waiting and working on some other videos on my laptop. So see you in a bit. I don't know about you guys, but one reason I don't like to come to the dealership is that every time I'm here, I feel like buying another car. I will look at any car that is there that I like, and I just want to take it home. Every time I come here, I will see an X6M. Man, I want to take that car home. I see an X5M, especially the new X5. I want to take it home. But of course, I don't have the money to pay for it. So I wish they can give it to me for free. For like, you know, maybe I can work here 3 days a week, doing 1 hour and washing someone's car, and then I get a free X5M home, you know. So I don't know, but yeah, man, finally got my baby back. Woo! Man, look at this showroom condition. Oh Lord, looking beautiful. Yes sir, of course you have to follow. So if you're wondering exactly what service I got done on the car, it was 2 of them, actually 3. One is pretty much brake flush, and they also did a rear diff flush and the paint protection that they put on the car, the auto butler, that's how they call it. So that's exactly what I've done on the car today, and it cost me 0. That's the paperwork. Yep, $0 because it's covered on the warranty and I have maintenance package. It's true that I could have done the brake job myself, but since I already paid for it, so I say, you know what, let me come here and let them do it for free. But you saw I did the brake job on my Mini Cooper, and I have a video. I will link it up here. And yeah, that's it. So let me now drive home and enjoy my birthday. So see you guys on the next video. This was a quick one. I wasn't really planning to do this, but I say, hey, I have a phone, so I must just film. So hopefully you guys are safe. Make sure you subscribe, hit that thumbs up button or like button for me, so that you know, I can get some traction on videos on my channel. Again, thanks for the love, and see you on the next video.